In this video, I'd like to talk to you about building a safe for storing valuables in your automobile. Just about any place you go nowadays, you'll see signs like these. Well, here's the problem. Sometimes you just can't lock your stuff up because the Toyota company decided to save a few cents and not give you a locking glove compartment. Or maybe you do have a locking glove compartment, but your items are too big to fit in there. Well, here's my solution. Build yourself a safe. You'll need a storage case, a vinyl covered cable, and 3 padlocks. The primary use I'm using it for is to store the laptop that I'm making these videos on. I have to keep the laptop in the car because I make the videos at work on my lunch and break. You do not want to leave a laptop in a car unprotected. The case is made by a company called Pelican and the model number is 1525. This case is large enough to store a 17-inch laptop and the associated equipment. And for additional security, the padlock holes are covered with steel. You'll want a security cable that can run the full length of the car. This cable is 15 feet long and coated with vinyl to protect the car's interior. Finally, you'll want 3 padlocks. You'll need a secure place to attach one end of the cable. I found that if you look underneath your seat, you'll see there's a big metal bar that goes across. You'd actually have to remove the seat to remove this metal bar, so that's pretty secure. Reach in and wrap your security cable around this metal bar. Then secure it with a padlock. The cable can be routed underneath the floor mat, up beside the seat, and into the trunk. And here we see it entering into the trunk. Now it's a simple matter of placing your valuables into the case. Install a padlock on one side of the case, and the padlock on the other side of the case will have the cable going through it. When you're ready to retrieve your valuables, the most important thing to remember is don't lose that key. Well, thanks for watching.